Anyways, we're here in the middle of Wisconsin. I'm just kidding. We're not in Wisconsin. Anyways, guys, my voice is kind of different right now. That's because yesterday we had a crazy night. But if you want to experience that night, here is some intense freaking shit that started Thursday and it's gonna end today, Sunday. So watch the video. I hope you guys enjoy and let's get on with the motherfucking video. I heard you guys want some intense shit. You guys want to hear some intense shit? I woke up super late. Can you tell by my clock? Okay, that clock is wrong. But it's 6:45 a.m. I have class at 8 a.m. It takes half an hour to get to my school, half an hour to get on the bus ride to get to school. It equivalates to 1 hour, and I'm literally less than an hour away from starting class. Am I gonna get there on time? I'm gonna let you guys know, but this is intense content right here. Hey guys, unfortunately we missed the bus, but I met up with my friend. He's giving me a ride, so let's go. And just like that, ladies and gentlemen, we have landed here at my school. All right, guys, just so you guys are aware of time and space, right now it's Thursday. My packets get here Friday. I'm probably gonna install the air intake first. What a beautiful morning, man. What a beautiful car. What a beautiful I'm gonna go later today after school, after my work, so I can go be like, hey, what the fuck, where's my steering wheel? Hey, where you soon? Where you put? Today, my Z1 Motorsports package, aka the Wonderland package, comes in today. We're gonna go pick it up at FedEx. I'm gonna show you guys the parts. I wanna show you guys the parts before I even begin installing because, well, no, wait. This is the air intake install. I'm so stupid. Okay, let's get on with the day. Let's get on. I was trying to do this trick for the parking pass. Apparently you don't need a real working credit card or debit card to pay for this. Apparently you can get an expired one, put it in, and it gives you a free freaking pass. But it didn't work for us today, so we had to buy a pass. Such a beautiful day out here, guys. Look at this. Green grass everywhere. My freaking parts just came in FedEx right now. We're gonna go pick them up later. So I just gotta finish the shift real quick and then we'll go pick them up. A little bit of what I do here at my work is that we grab ourselves some food, man. We grab ourselves some food right here. Hey, say what's up, John. You gotta be in my video, bro. You gotta see my video, bro. Hey guys, so we're back at home now. Guess, oh my god, guys, I'm so fucking excited. Okay. Holy shit, it's the steering wheel. Holy mother shit, let's rip this. Been waiting for this so long. Okay, let me show you guys a preview just right here, guys. We're gonna have to leave this for the other video, but fuck it, let's just show you guys. Fuck this shit. There you go. Can you guys even see it, bro? The mighty of all his glory. I'm still missing a centerpiece from the horn. I still need to get that. Once we get that, we'll go ahead and assemble this. But right now, we gotta install the air intake. Let's go receive the air intake right now because we gotta install it tomorrow. And I gotta post a video tomorrow for you guys. Alright guys, we're here at FedEx. We're gonna pick up my items. We brought my Honda. I don't own a fucking truck. And I don't have a lot of fucking troqueando cut friends. So we're gonna have to figure the
you do.
Who? She can't take it out. I don't know how the fuck we're gonna fit this in the car. I don't know how I'm gonna make this fit.
With your hands.
Alright guys, we're back at home and everything is in here. But I didn't think of that myself. The box, we couldn't actually fit it in. So I actually went live on Instagram, and thanks to some of you guys who joined my live on Instagram. If you don't follow me on Instagram, it's BeDistinct_. Go follow me. You guys were like, hey bro, or one of you guys said, hey bro, why don't you freaking open the box and take off all the stuff? Hey, because of him, we were able to fit all of this in, and I'm gonna show you guys. I didn't save the live, but I'm gonna show you guys. I still recorded, so I'll show you guys that part. Yeah, man, I do a little bit of YouTube. Yeah.
Damn, run this over already.
No, what the fuck? I was gonna get that. I was gonna get him. But yeah, guys, thanks a lot. I mean, for all your help.
Wow.
Alright guys, so we're just gonna take the trash out real quick because
you never put the trash anymore.
Take a look at the trunk. This is all that's left.
Oh.
The trunk, bro. What the fuck? They gonna look in the trash, bro? Just paper? What the fuck? Should I just put this all in my room? Will it fit?
Oh my Jesus.
Alright guys, it's the next morning. It's beautiful. Today we're gonna install the air intake. I'm gonna go over to my friend's house, the one who helped me install my coilovers and my control arms. We're gonna go over there and kind of install the air intake. I think that's all we need. Oh, what the fuck? I forgot the air filter. No. Shit. It's beautiful, guys. Okay. Let's see. There you go. Okay. I think we're ready. Let's go. You guys like this cinematic view? Look this. Oh, that was orgasmic. Perfect. All these dang freaking turkeys. Come on, people, move it! Alright guys, so we have all the stuff right here. We're kind of gonna look like Superman with the red and blue, which is completely fine. Before you guys want to install this, my boy Ross said you have to remove the whole motor. So you could take this off. Then you guys will be able to easily put that on.
You gotta put a supercharger on it too.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
That's the main thing. Then we can do the intake.
Then you could do that. Damn. Thor number 2, because that's Thor 1 right there.
Hey.
He's watching his assistant.
Shit. I don't give you permission. Last time they asked me for permission, I ended up in a van.
Damn. Cleaning it.
You clean.
I do need to clean it, man. My bad.
What you do?
I know I need to clean it, dude. This shit's nasty. Oh shit, he's throwing a little bit of magic dust.
Just tire what?
Okay, it's working its magic. You guys hear it sizzling? You watch him, Gabe?
Who?
Chris Fix It?
Never heard of her.
Bruh, no way.
Oh my god. The only one I watch is Ruben.
There you go.
BeDistinct.
BeDistinct. Oh shit, he's exposing my name. Y'all don't even know my name, huh? My bad. Alright guys, Ross is gonna show us how to put the intake. I don't know shit, so that's why I came to him, right? I didn't even know what the fuck this was, just so you guys know how much I know about cars.
It's a short ram intake.
Short ram intake. Alright, thank you. That's what I need, a short ram intake.
And that's a velocity stack for the cone filter. And she's probably gonna drive by. Oh, she actually stopped?
Oh shit.
Usually she drives by if somebody's parked there, so any space. She's a bitch. No offense. She's a nice lady.
Alright guys, so a couple things. They sent us fucking this what is this called? Clamp? That's pretty different from the rest, like these. They sent us 4 of those, and you put 2 in this coupler and 2 in the other one. He was trying to put this one, but it didn't fit, so we're not sure what the hell this one is for.
It's just
An extra one, I guess. I don't know. But I mean, you guys have this support bracket that goes right there, like this, and then you gotta bolt it on. I'm assuming into right here into
one of these.
One of these bolts. So you gotta find the right angle to kind of bolt it on. So this is where we assembled the bracket. We had to rotate this a little bit, kind of find our angle, like I said, and yeah, everything's sitting nice. We just gotta test it out. It's kind of melted onto the freaking thing that's coming off that thing.
What in the world?
What the hell? All right, cut the clip. Cut the clip. This not satisfying moment.
Take a picture of this right here. Send this to them. Like, look, what kind of quality is this? You're melting the cover.
One. I'm gonna send them this whole video. Just gotta put the engine bay. And he suggested I cut it off so we can still see the Z1 right here. We're gonna cut out like part of the engine cover. And, make it nice. This piece right here. Right there. Alright guys, we're done. Ross the man's gonna start up the G. I'm telling you, I don't even know if it has power or not, but man, that looks good. That's all I gotta say. Alright, we gonna hear it. Let's see. So wait, before you gas it, what can I expect, like, as far as sound or
Probably some suction noises.
Suction noises? Okay, let's hear it. Oh! Definitely. Yep. Confirm. You hear some possible turbo going on here. The road, see the difference between, oh, you guys heard that? It went like when it shut off. Oh, that's beautiful. I'll tell you guys if I feel a difference on the road, man. See how it is, but Yeah, man, everybody give a hand of applause to my boy Ross. He did it, man. I mean, we're eventually gonna have to take it off real quick, just for a moment before so we can smog the car. We gotta smog the car first, and then we're gonna slap it back on. Yeah. I'm in the car right now. Okay, I know you guys. I know I exaggerate a lot of things, and I do. Trust me. And I don't know if it's my imagination. Like I said, I know air intakes don't add either 0 horsepower or very minimal horsepower, and the only way you can feel it is with a tune or anything like that. But I don't know if I'm imagining the turbo sound that it's creating, but I do feel it a little bit more responsive. And my friend did say I'm gonna definitely feel the difference. Like, not massive, of course, but like you're gonna feel something. You know, you drive your car every day, you're gonna feel something. And you know what? He's not wrong, dude. It feels. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry. Oh man. Nah, just kidding. No, I'm serious. It feels a little bit more responsive, guys. I think I'm not imagining this shit. Okay, I'm not crazy. I do feel it. No, I mean, and dude, when we're gonna put our exhaust. I do want to get some ARC test pipes. I heard they're freaking awesome and they pop like a fucking beast. So we're gonna get one of those before we tune it. And see how it goes. I would like to put it on E85. Fuck, should we just go for the fuel pump and fucking new injectors and fucking send this guy to E85 world? Oh my god, I'm so tempted. Fuck it. Full send, guys. I think when we tune it and we're done with this car, just full bolt on, I think it's gonna be freaking amazing, guys. I know it's not a supercharger, turbocharger, but I think it's gonna feel pretty amazing. Anyways, I got a game right now. I got a soccer game right now. I'm super late. I'm like speeding right now on the freeway. Who the freak is that cat doing? I'm gonna scare him. I'm gonna scare him. Oh, he's not tempted. Oh, he's a little bro. Oh, another cat. What the fuck? Yeah. Yeah, I'm coming after you too, boy. Okay. Hey, what the freak? We got Moses over there carrying the freaking cat. What the hell? How is he not running away? I did want to say something real quick about that thing. I know some of you guys are really picky about the carb legal sticker, especially those in California, because California's stupid. But anyways, no, the air intake is not carb legal. Wait, BeDistinct, so are you gonna do it? You gotta smog the car. I'm gonna have to, you know, take that out, put the stock box in, and go get it smogged, and then I will reinstall it again. Obviously on my old time, not in the video, or like, oh, reinstalling Z1. No. And then from then on, then I'll probably do like a little dirty smog. Ooh, he's bad, you know, but we'll continue because I'll probably have like test pipes and things like that. That's way too hard to take all that to make it stock again. Fuck that shit. Fuck California. We're leaving the G for now, right? But this is how you know your friends are, you know, car people. Look at this house, bro. 370s, bro. 3. Not 1, not 2, 3. 1, 2, 3 motherfuckers out here.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Light always gotta be blue.
It's not getting it. It's not getting it. Does anybody else have a lighter?
Ooh. Gabe got the first hit. Oh! That's crazy. He wants to race.
Oh.
Oh shit.
Oh shit.
Oh shit. Put this shit on sport mode. Go. Oh, he got the gap. Oh shit. Look at this, bro. A fucking Lamborghini Urus here at fucking UC Davis. If y'all don't give this video a like, what the fuck, dude? This shit is fucking sick, bro. These tires are fat as shit. Holy shit, dude. She told me there was 2. We just came back. We recorded this Lamborghini Urus. Go straight, go straight. We recorded this Lamborghini fucking Urus. And literally less than 50 feet away, there's another fucking Lamborghini Urus. What the fuck? These international motherfucking students out here affording the richest of all cars, man. That is a fucking beauty. The other one had red calipers. This one has yellow calipers. That is a fucking beauty. Guys, I'll catch you guys next video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much. Peace.